A fishing trip on the Danaher, a tributary of the Flathead River in Montana, that Stephen and Mitchell Rales first imagined a different kind of company, one dedicated to continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Danaher is derived from the Celtic Dana, meaning swift-flowing, an appropriate name for the organization that would develop into a global science and technology company. Today, Danaher has over 60,000 associates and leaders, but in the early 1980s, it had only 2. Indexed by more than 10-fold over the past 20 years. That's the power of winning. Success doesn't happen by accident, and at Danaher, DBS is a proven system for achieving it.
Greatness is not primarily a matter of circumstance, it's rather a matter of conscious choice and discipline. Conscious choice and discipline.
Within a decade, Danaher had built its core operating system, the Danaher Business System, or DBS. Beginning at Jacobs Vehicle Systems in the late 1980s, we became one of the first North American companies to base its business model on Kaizen, the Japanese term for continuous improvement. DBS was initially focused on improving manufacturing processes and results. Over time, DBS evolved into something much greater. DBS now drives every aspect of our culture and performance with a focus on growth, lean, and leadership.
Probably the greatest asset inside this company is not on the balance sheet. It's an intangible, and it's DBS. It's who we are. It's how we do what we do.
At every location across all functions, the Danaher Business System works to shape strategy, focus execution, and create value for customers and shareholders. DBS is the reason for our success and the root of what we believe as a company. In the mid-1990s, Danaher businesses were largely fragmented, decentralized operating companies with little in common. DBS became the way to link businesses and to leverage common processes and tools. We developed strategic platforms to group existing businesses and acquisitions together to achieve a sustainable, competitive advantage in the marketplace. Today, 90% of our revenues come from these businesses. Exceeding expectations requires relentless passion and discipline. This is where DBS and the principles of Kaizen become indispensable. To outperform the competition and deliver a superior customer experience, we challenge ourselves to do more while wasting less. In a rapidly changing global environment, we are always pursuing new technologies and solutions to improve the world.
Building a global science and technology company with DBS requires that all of us share a common definition of the Danaher Business System. It really is that soft side of the equation, the culture that enables us to extract tremendous value from these tools and techniques, to be able to apply these approaches in a number of different businesses all around the world, and to do that day in, day out, month in, month out, over a long period of time to really drive a distinctive differentiation in our performance